Have you ever wondered how exchange-traded funds or ETFs became a game changer in the Indian investment landscape? From humble beginnings to becoming a go-to investment options for millions. Today, let's dive into the evolution of ETFs in India. ETFs are a relatively new phenomena in the Indian market, but their growth has been nothing short of remarkable. Launched in 2001, ETFs offered Indian investors a revolutionary way to invest in a basket of securities, whether it's stocks, bonds, or commodities. Just like buying and selling shares on the stock market. It all started with the Nifty 50 ETF, India's first ETF introduced in 2002, which allowed investors to track the performance of the Nifty 50 index. Though the adoption was a little slow initially, the innovation laid the foundation for the future of passive investing in India. As awareness of ETFs grew, so did their variety. The next wave of growth came with the introduction of gold ETFs in 2007, giving retail investors a chance to invest in gold without the hassle of buying and storing the physical metal. This marked the beginning of ETFs branching out into different asset classes. Investors now had a cost-effective way to diversify their portfolio with one single instrument. ETFs started gaining significant momentum when the Government of India began using them as part of its disinvestment strategy. This, along with increased participation from institutional investors, gave ETFs a major boost in the Indian market. Now fast forward to today. ETFs are not just for institutions. Retail investors are increasingly drawn to ETFs for the relatively lower cost, transparency, and ease of access. From sectoral ETFs that focus on specific industries to debt and international ETFs that open up global opportunities, there is an ETF for every type of investor. But this evolution is far from over. As technology, innovation, and awareness continue to grow, ETFs in India are set to evolve even further, opening up new avenues like smart beta ETFs, thematic ETFs, and even ESG ETFs that focus on sustainable investments. From their humble beginnings to today's broad range of options, the journey of ETFs in India reflects the growing sophistication of investors and the market. So if you are looking to diversify your portfolio with a cost-effective, flexible options, ETFs could be the perfect fit. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on smart investment strategies. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.